Happy Mother's Day to all of the subscribers, them, everyone out there, all of the good mothers, them will take care of them kids for over the years. You know, it's not an easy burden from Rashi and Wally straight up. You don't know me there with wifey, and it's just a joy just to be out with Rashi on Mother's Day. We now get this one late, first and foremost, but we now get it on Mother's Day. But it's just a joy to be here, having a good time, and of course, where else to do it than Lake Wilcox?
What spot? We day one spot.
Yeah, man, this is our park, and
you know, so we have to bless up our household first.
Yes.
So, you know, when I tell me, when them tell me Happy Mother's Day already, but you know, our day one, we have to big up my mother Audrey straight up. Happy Mother's Day, especially from Rashi and Wally Vlogs, and of course, Miss Janet. Big up yourself, my good mother-in-law. Big up yourself, Happy Mother's Day. And of course, so Jermaine sisters, Happy Mother's Day to you guys from us. And of course, the other mothers in the family, Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, my Auntie Monica, Happy Mother's Day to you. Auntie Joan, Happy Mother's Day
camera
to
look
you.
low still, boy, they on my mind, JD. Nah, come up, man, the camera there for short people. Good.
Yeah,
nice,
Happy Mother's Day to my
very
aunts.
Very high. Should be good, yeah.
They're supposed to be good.
Happy Mother's Day to my aunts and of course my cousins that are mothers, and you go ahead and take it over with Jermaine, extended family, cousins,
yeah, man.
everybody.
But now you put me on a spot now because now I have to go list names. I don't really want to list names still, you know, but for all of the family members them on Wally side, they don't know. Big up on yourself today, Mother's Day. Hope you had a really great day. Hope if you have your husband, you know, your husband cater to you, make sure that you relax. And you know, if you're single same way, big up yourself same way.
And if your husband wasn't able to do it, you must know, don't get, you know, nobody give them a rough time.
Yeah,
you know, especially if them have to work,
because, yeah.
you have to give and take. You
Yeah,
understand?
because sometimes the day come on a day where your husband work, or you might work super hard the day before, and then today
tired.
them really can make it out to
Right.
represent on the special day. Don't kill him because of just one day that out of 365 days of the year.
Especially if them always treat you good.
Especially if them always treat you good.
Exactly.
So right now, Jade, you know get you off of the hook. Remember, come hug up your mother and come say something nice on camera.
On camera.
But before I start that still, guys, just make sure say when you enjoy the day, alright? It's never too late for your shower or rain. If the day started out bad, there are still some remaining hours of the day and you can enjoy it same way. And if you don't work out today, you can enjoy it tomorrow, right?
And all of my friends them who are mothers, Happy Mother's Day to you all. And if also, if you're not a mother
Before I
yet,
say something, guys, who live in Canada know that we have a big space.
there's a walkway. There's literally a walkway.
They want to make sure say,
Yeah.
I yes them pass, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they know them style still. But yeah, man, Jado, come on here, we have to say, come in.
Me?
No, I want to say something before Jaden.
Yeah.
So all my aspiring mothers. So if you're not a mother as yet and you still aspire to be a mother, Happy Mother's Day. It might be futuristic, but don't give up. You understand? And don't feel bad today because I know the feeling, you know. Everybody has say Happy Mother's Day and you're not a mother as yet. You might feel bad. Don't feel bad. Your turn will come here. God not turning back. Your time will come and we'll celebrate you at that point. You understand?
For real.
So Happy Mother's Day to you all, because I know that most time persons are mothers to other persons. You understand? So you're a mother in your own right.
Wifey, me love how you look
Right.
today. You glow, you go out with a thing.
Yeah, man.
Loving
It's a
your
fatty.
pants. Loving your
guys,
pants.
You see the pants? This is what I bought at the store name? Depot.
Designer Depot.
Depot. This is it. I'm not going to show you the threat behavior, but this is it. Right?
Yeah.
Come, Jane, come say what you have to say. Come, you're not off the hook.
Come on, you're not off the hook, man. Come on, let's go, let's go. That may I ask you some stuff.
Oh.
What your mom means to you, and this is half guard now. Just say what's on your mind, honestly, what your mom means to you.
What my mom means.
And you don't have to say nothing spectacular, just be honest and speak from your heart.
It's like an interview question.
No, not really. Don't worry about the
Yeah.
camera.
It kind of is. First and foremost, I would say what my mom means to me the most is how she cared for me If you know my mother, or from even what you know, mommy love buy things for me and gifts and everything.
Okay.
That's what I love about mommy too. And then we have another thing of like about mommy, that mommy always come with the joke them and the oh she laugh. It always make me smile.
Joy in the house. When she's happy.
And we don't like boy mother.
No, we're not touching like no. What else you like about mommy? Something else. There are more stuff.
Best and the one of the most best thing of the mom is oh mommy want to spend time. Well no, mid say sometimes, but then when the days when she want to spend time with me, they're always fun and it always enjoyable, and you always get to have fun too, and they just it just stay in your memory and you have that good thought for that whole day.
It's okay. So time spent with mom is long lasting and it's memorable. It's memorable.
Very.
You know what I mean? Him shy bad, guys. You see him there, so he can't talk. He might talk like him in a 6th grade, him shy bad, but very smart young man. Him just, you know that there's a subscriber months ago encouraged us to put you on camera more often for you to get rid of that shyness. Right? And I think it is a very, very good suggestion, because off the camera he's not shy any at all. But once the lights are on, he's shy. He's very shy.
And then guys, you have to bear in mind that you have persons looking on right now as you're in the park. There are a lot of persons looking on. So
yes.
he has that, battling with like persons actually looking.
It's guys, may I tell them, let me switch the camera. So guys, it's not easy to show up like in an environment where there are lots of people walking by, talking, looking at you. It's not an easy task, right?
And especially when they see the camera.
So especially when the camera is about, you're gonna see persons that swim around like fish.
Yeah.
They want to know what's going on. In Jamaica, it's a fish head dead. That's what happens when you're a vlogger and you're out in the public. So you see persons, sometimes they're making video and they shy away from the public, but in their home or spaces where they're most comfortable, you start seeing their true personality.
Yeah.
And there are other persons on the other hand, them do what they do same way in the public and they don't really care. It takes time to build that skin. It takes time to get that level of comfort where you can turn on your camera no matter who is looking and really say what's on your mind. It's not an easy task. So all of the vloggers them out there, all of the daily vloggers, all of the YouTubers, we're doing the stuff. Big up on yourself same way. Enough respect. JD, we're going to put you on camera more often.
Oh no.
And we're going to draw you out.
More questions.
More questions, JD?
What do you hate about your mother?
No, we don't want to talk about hate.
We want here though.
No,
what
we
you
don't
don't
want.
like about
Guys,
your mother?
tell me if you go up on the wrong track right now.
What you don't like
But you
about
can
your
already answer them questions.
Huh?
What I don't like? Give me one thing you don't like about your mom.
When they call me for the most simplest task,
Like
Like
what?
what? Give me some example.
the remote they right beside it and you call me from all the way in my room.
Yeah, that's crazy.
One
man.
man
No.
use the bathroom.
Guys,
Jaden!
Rashi is ridiculous. Something will be right beside her, like right here, so. And she called Jada from all the way over there. So
And even daddy
sometimes I
could
lay
get
down,
it for
I'm mad. I mean, I say, yo, why you send the boy feed?
I even call him to turn on the fan.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. But
That's a plus about having a son. I think them cater to you more.
that daughter? I think so.
I think
Same
so.
thing you can do.
No,
Kids
no.
in general, once you have a child, you can ask them to do the simplest of things that you can do yourself.
Well, for me personally, like, I feel good to have a son. Like, from a young, I always want to have a son, and I feel good that even my son was Jaden. You know what I mean?
You never want to be somebody else.
No, I like him personality. no, given that him grow on me, like, I literally like him personality.
Okay.
Like,
Jaden is
guys,
a really good son.
Guy,
Like,
me give him shit all the time.
All the time.
Literally. And
All
him
the time.
literally hold him composure.
Yes,
Me literally
yes.
No,
Him good.
I go like me really should get on top of him nerves and him really just calm.
Yeah, him
like
calm.
him have that calm spirit, like him just literally can't get mad. Me no know. Him just patient and me love most things about him. Him know what I mean I like about him, but me like most things about him. Like if me for choose him again, me da choose Jaden.
Yeah.
Literally like the personality that him have.
Yeah, the person that
Literally.
Jaden
No.
And guys, like for be like a mother, like with Jaden, like I have him like in a struggling time, I would say.
Man.
And I think that if I have no more kids, like when me experience with Jaden,
Can I never experience it again?
me can't experience it with no other
First
child.
born,
Like
you have it really rough.
literally,
with Jaden.
Jaden are the child where like him not like Kalalu, for example. But him not tell me no, him a go eat it.
Yeah.
If me give him porridge and I eat me have, him a go drink it.
True.
Even if him not want it, him not complain.
True.
You
I'm
understand?
not make you feel bad and
not
don't
make
eat
you
it.
feel bad and don't eat it. Him a move with it. If even when I just come Canada, and you know already when you start over and thing, but we start out at Canada kind of rough, like.
Rough.
And even with buying stuff for him go school and him see kids with certain stuff, him never complain. Him never complain. Me know say him not have exactly what him did want to have, but him not go complain. Like Jaden literally wear one pair of shoes for the whole entire year. Even before the year finish, the shoes it kind of mash up. And him never complain, it literally mash up, basically. And him never complain, him wear it go every day. So you see my son, me tell my husband say, you see anybody see me want buy him 10 and 50 shoes, leave me alone. Make me buy him 10 and 50 shoes. Because you see when me can't buy none, him not complain, none at all. Him
You're not
wear
gonna
it.
realize you have a shortfall.
No.
You now get that feedback.
No,
from
him
say
not give me a
you're
bad feel.
insufficient in
No,
other area.
him
Yeah,
a go
for real.
see him with him not complain.
No, for real.
It's
So-
kind of a bad thing to do.
It was a bad thing?
At the same time, it's kind of a bad thing because, you know, we go outside and you say, no, you stay too bad, you know have no.
Yeah, like literally, guys, let me tell you something happened recently, not to go too long, right? But he had a trip the other day and we're doing a lot of stuff off the air, right? Me not really want to bring that in his space. We just tell you all the while, right? We have a lot going on. He knows because we have certain discussion as family, right? And Jaden say like with all happening, Mommy, I didn't want to tell you about the trip. I got written by the school, today is the last day to pay for the trip. Mr. Jaden didn't tell me, so I just paid for it off the bat. When I went home, I said I paid for the trip. He said, oh really, you paid for the trip? And I said yes. He said because the trip is expensive. I said no, Jaden, the trip is not expensive. He said yeah, I didn't know that because I know you don't have any money and you guys doing a lot. Like him literally I take up our thing into
Our stuff,
consideration.
yeah. Which he
And I
shouldn't
tell him
still.
that Jade, no, you let me decide and tell you that I don't have the money to go, but don't just hide it from me and you decide that you're going to let me save money. So that's the type of heart my son have and that's why I love him so much. So like anybody
And
like
the only bad thing about that is that sometimes the way old Jaden operate, persons who don't know him and know the relationship that we have with him, they would think that somewhat is not, I wouldn't say used to it, but he's not exposed to certain type of stuff.
Yeah.
Because of how him, we call them type of people that were low budget.
yeah.
Them can live even at the bushes.
Right.
And don't make it trouble
Yeah.
them. Jaden don't make nothing trouble them.
No.
So if they see him and he didn't tell his parents about the trip, they would say, oh, maybe his parents can't afford
Can't
it.
afford
They
it.
would even know that if it's up to us, him go to the trip 10 times and back. But he would have it on his mind, I know I'm not going to ask for it.
So guys, like with him, you can't really discuss certain problems
Problems
around
with
him. Him internalize it and him literally don't. Him try to deal with it himself.
Yeah.
So I realize that is how he is.
So
I
my
try
here
to-
where I say we have some stuff for deal
Yeah,
and money.
and him just take
because
it
him
up.
hear that now, he must say, oh, me not going to ask for the trip, for go on
Right.
the trip. That's how he is.
Yeah, but I like that too about him still.
But sometimes make you feel bad.
Yeah,
because
I
a
feel
trip
bad
cost so much,
sometime, yeah.
Trip so cheap.
Yeah.
And he's saying that, oh, you guys don't have any money, it make you feel bad. So you say, no, Jaden, let us know and we'll make the decision if you can go or not.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
But back to you, Mr. Jaden now. So, you know, you're going to start up on camera often. Very, very often. How it sound? Sounds good, right?
You want to say, I don't know about that.
Sounds good, right? Say sounds good, man, because
Not really.
not really, but you will be on camera more often and you need to grow that skin to be able to come and speak to thousands of persons or hundreds of persons until you get that level of confidence on camera.
Guys,
On camera.
say congratulations to my son. He made the football team.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, oh, he didn't tell. Guys, he didn't even tell me. He told his dad about it because my son is a little athletic, so
He wants some skill
yeah.
though. He wants some skill. He have the strength and the speed, but he wants
And
some
stamina.
skill and stamina. All of them, so he have them. But he wants the football skills now. Track and field, I'm 100% sure that he will be doing excellent at track and field because he has the raw talent.
right.
Raw talent. So again, guys, this is just a short vlog. Bigging up all of the mothers them out there straight up. Father them on just relax and just watch a video. It's not your time, and the mother them time. And from Russia and Wally to you guys out there, happy Mother's Day. Hope your day has been one filled with joy and happiness and laughter. And if you're not having that, you're just getting some time to reflect as well. You know, reflect on things and see how you can improve moving forward. Alright, so big up. Oh, make Russia close. I'm loving Russia close.
Alright, guys, this was a fly. Of course, I'm
fly. They are foreign. Don't tell people them say fly. They are foreign. Come on, it's not, guys. It's not fly.
What was it?
Come.
Alright, guys. So happy Mother's Day again to all my moms that are in our family, both on Jermaine's side and my side, our friends, those who are expectant mothers, those who have lost a child, whether by miscarriage, a child died, anything. Condolences to you, but God will always bless you back. And of course, if you are a child and you are a mother and you have not been blessed yet as a mother, as I'm saying, I'm reaching out to you guys. Don't feel bad today. Your time will come. God now will turn him back. Just keep the faith. And if you're the husband to that wife, take time with her. Don't go sit in a side chick. You understand what I'm saying? Work with your wife and be blessed. Remember, I'm going to give you the story about in the Bible, but those who didn't wait on the Lord and go for side chick, which would have been the maiden, for the wife, those children are always, what them call them, concubine children. So be careful of that, especially if you're within marriage. It is an honorable thing. Wait on God, pray, and just work with your wife. It can be fixed, nothing bigger than God, and God will lead you to the right persons. Alright, so I'm leaving you guys with that. Bless up yourself this Mother's Day and continue having a blessed and wonderful day. I love you all. Big up to all the mothers. Straight from Russia and Wally Vlogs.
Straight up. I'm going to walk into the park still, alright,
so,
guys?
So, a little tour, guys, so you can see how the place nice and refreshing. You know, when they one spot, Lake Wilcox. So, let's give you a view. So, guys, we're giving you a tour in the park. The place gets chilly, so I have to put on my jacket. See Jeremy Lee there. So, we had like a... Watch my eye all around water. We had like a mini picnic in the park. It was really lovely. Today was a lovely day. Jeremy, thanks for like we had Asian food today and it was just a nice little picnic in at the park. Really like today, Jeremy.
And you never want to come out the house.
And guys, I slept this today. I slept early this morning, so I'm gonna get a good sleep.
Nearly all day.
Almost all day, and then I had food. I feel pampered, I feel good, I feel refreshed. I'm ready for go work tomorrow. I really feel good. I just hope say your day was like this, and if you didn't have a weekend like this, maybe you can make next weekend be like this.
Because yesterday I spent all day on the road on Arfus Road.
Oh God, man, guys, my bus way. You must go there if you are nearby, and if you are anywhere inside of Canada, you can fly to Ontario and take a look there. Literally, it's worth it.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, they have a lot of deals. Really love it.
Though. This is my best time of the year. Now it's like between 17 and 19. Well, it was 19 degrees earlier. Now it's between 15 and 17 degrees. You know, so it's just nice. The temperature feels really, really good.
And guys, I must tell you, like, my son really enjoys living in Vaughan because it more like him say it not boring, right? So
more developed.
Yeah.
More developed.
But me, I love the little bush, like I love living up north. I'm even telling Jermaine, like, I'm literally considering moving back up north because I really enjoyed it. I don't know if it's because it's the first place I landed. I literally like the environment. Yes. I like the people up here more. You know what I mean? But just friendly. Like everything about living up north.
Friendly. We'll take a camera for you. Very friendly. Eh? No, may I show. Oh, that's the thing now, you know. When the camera on this side, may I go with madness. Because see there, on the other side it better. So you keep on holding it on that side. Because the water, wherever the water is, it gives you a bad light.
So guys, let me show you how the bridge looks. So we're going on this bridge now. You see it beautiful? Oh, my friend, I love living up north, Jesus. I love it. Guys, beautiful. Look at my view.
Beautiful.
Right now, I feel like me in Canada.
Here classified as Richmond Hill or Oak Ridge?
It is Richmond Hill.
Okay.
So this is Oak Ridges in Richmond Hill. I love Richmond Hill.
Would you call this a boardwalk?
Yeah, I
Would
would.
be?
Yeah. It's so romantic. It's just nice. But we'll coming up here like next week and be doing some activities, right?
What kind of activities? You're afraid of all activities?
Yeah, because I'm afraid me dropping at the water, but I really love here, so like literally I love it here.
Beautiful. You want to take a picture, Jay?
Really nice.
No,
yeah.
mommy.
Look
at it, son.
I love here, so.
It's not even far away from the city areas though, the larger cities. Like 25 minutes drive out. Yeah, the place
Guys, what do you think?
chilling now.
Do you think I should be moving back to Richmond Hill? Because you say my heart and mind they up here, my heart and mind they up here.
Or will they know? Or how should they know?
Because I think I'm happier with my up here.
That's true. Feel like a lot of way. But you see,
like
this mankind can't please though. Because we live here so, and we are crying for go van to want to go somewhere more developed. Yes, we were.
Jaden.
You too. And then now we go van and now we say we want to come back to Richmond Hill.
So which one you prefer?
To be honest though,
Jada prefer Van.
why? Tricky J though. This one is very, very tricky. Because whenever I come up here, I just feel like I'm at home.
Not really, because me close to Wonderland, you close to everything. I've won.
Yeah, but we can't really drive go to van if we want all of that excitement. You know what I mean? Here feels homely.
But
Less-
Jaden, you
less,
wouldn't be. You would.
no
It's not
traffic.
like you would be changing school. You're gonna stay at your same school, so you have nothing to worry about.
Jenny just love the city. People love the city more for the boss, the people, them.
I'm close to all my friends
And
right
close to
now.
all the friends right now. So it wouldn't make no sense for him. But anyway guys, this is another one from us to you. You know, they just go and chill again.
Watch him, guys. I try to come out of the camera. That's my son there. I'm so proud. Come on, son, cute. Jesus. We love my son. Him so cute. He came from me, literally. Oh my God. Then the girl must love it, don't it? Jesus.
Oh my God, no.
My daughter-in-law, awfully cute. No, sir. Look how my son nice. She better get her games up.
Kill me.
So guys, I hope you like this and you find it a refreshing video. So we'll see you in another vlog.
And make sure you say you're going to do kayaking.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So guys, don't forget to do the right thing. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section and let me know that you're here. Get windy though. When I go on a boat ride. I love this. So I'll see you in another vlog. You have anything to say to the mothers, Jaden, in closing?
Happy Mother's Day. Oh,
Nothing
cool.
else?
I don't know what else to say.
You lost for words. Okay. Do you have anything last thing to say, Jermaine?
That's it for me.
Okay guys, do the right thing and make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and also put your comment in the comment section because Rashi definitely want to read it. Okay guys, I'll see you in the other vlog.